Alright guys, here she is. The Mech 9000G loader lost its throne, and the bench looks like it was custom made for the lathe. I didn't have any of the proper oil for the transmission, or whatever you call it, so I thought 80-90 weight would work well. You fill it up here and it's about 3/4 full, so that should be good. We got the different pulleys over here. I've got it on the second speed here. That'll give me 300 RPMs. Got a piston out of an 088 here. It's a job I need to get out in a hurry. As you know, I don't have the proper tools, so I thought I'd make do with what I've got. Got a real nice edge on this chisel here, nice and sharp. So I think we can make this happen. Initial results are positive. Let's see how it goes. Alright, let's give it a go, see how it does. Guys, I think this will do. Just polish it up a little bit. Not bad for homemade tooling, huh? Just take a file to it and knock the edges off here. Yeah, polish it up a little bit. Let's make somebody. I think it'll do good. Look at that, real chips. Here's another sharp shot of that real sharp tool. I tell you what, I'm going to save some money. I don't think I need any carbide bits. This is doing real good. Look at that, it even got some curly chips down there. Check that out. Beautiful mirror-like finish. We got a pop-up. I'm not sure how many thou it is. It's probably close to 30. I think it'll work.